Grasping modal verbs. Understanding can and could for permission. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another enlightening episode of our English grammar series. Today we are focusing on a crucial topic in the English language, specifically under the umbrella of modal verbs. We are going to dive deep into the usage of can and could for seeking and giving permission. These two modals are extremely common in everyday English, and mastering them will open up new avenues of fluent communication for you. So, let's get started. Modal verbs such as can and could express a variety of ideas in English. Today, we'll concentrate on one of their major functions, asking for and giving permission. Can is used in a more casual, informal context to ask or give permission, while could is slightly more formal and polite. It's crucial to understand when and how to use these two verbs in context. Let's explore some examples. In English, can is used to ask for or give permission in less formal settings. Here are a few examples. 1. Can I borrow your pen? This is a common, casual way of asking for permission to use someone else's pen. 2. Yes, you can. This is a straightforward way of granting permission. Remember, can is not used as much in negative responses. It's more common to say, I'm sorry, but, instead of, no, you can't. In a more formal or polite context, we use could. This usage is common in business settings or when speaking to someone we don't know well. Let's check out some examples. 1. Could I possibly use your phone? Notice the word possibly here. This is an added touch of politeness. 2. Yes, you could, or certainly. Again, when denying permission, it's more common to apologize and explain the reason than to simply say, no, you couldn't. Here's a quick recap of what we've learned so far. Can and could are used to ask for and give permission. Use can in casual, less formal settings. Use could when you want to be more formal or polite. Practice makes perfect, so don't forget to incorporate these modal verbs into your daily English conversations. That's it for today's lesson, learners. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to use can and could for permission in English. Remember, mastering a language is a journey, and every little step counts. Keep practicing and keep growing. We'll catch you in the next episode with more interesting grammar topics. Until then, happy learning!